And what up? What's good with y'all? Back with another video. Little tutorial on how to change oil on a Q50 with the 3.7. And I'm at the neighborhood Advanced Auto in O'Reilly, of course. But first, of course, you're gonna have to jack up the vehicle. Take as many safety precautions as possible. I've got the jack still jacked up with 2 jack stands under both of the subframe, crossmember, whatever you're gonna call it, and then I've got a wheel chock underneath the rear wheel for extra safety, and I set the parking brake. So what you're gonna need is where my stuff at? See? I need, okay, there we go. Got a 14mm ratchet. Ratcheting is always better because it can, you can move it back and forth without having to really move it. You're gonna need, of course, a catch can of some sort to catch the oil. And then you would need a, either like an oil wrench like this, or your hand if it's not on tight enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all where it's at. Oh yeah, and I got this little cheap little, I think I spent, I think it was like $3, this tripod that I got. But there goes the 14 socket to drain the oil, and then there's the oil filter right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that socket off. Actually, I already loosened it with the 14, of course. So she's actually ready to come out. Oh, this about to be difficult, bro. This about to be difficult. Let's see if I can get y'all here to shot this. This is at an angle. No, I'm not gonna have oil all over my gloves. That's why I wanted to buy some some rubber gloves, but I forgot. They charge too much in here, bro. They charging like $27 for it. And I'm like, oh no sir. No sir, yep. There we go. See, I got myself. Yep. So y'all can see this washer. I don't know. I don't know what y'all think. You think it's been changed? Wait, there ain't no washer in this. Oh, yeah, there is. Yeah. It's just squirt. Yeah. Maybe it's been changed. I don't know. It's pretty squished though. I'm not sure. Oh well. How y'all feeling, man? Feeling real good right now. It's a cool, what is it, like 70-something degree day? Pretty nice outside. That's why I went on ahead and did it instead of just waiting. And I like to change my oil every, move that over so that thing don't start get on the ground, but I like to change my oil every like 3,500 miles. And I don't even know what oil they put in here either. This is the first time I'm changing it. It don't look bad though. It's not that bad. It's dark, but it's not too bad. You could sit here and watch this oil drain. And drain. Oh man. It's gonna drip onto that. Alright. Well, the gloves are already dirty, so I'm just pulling this down so the oil can drain down. It's already dirty. Yep, like I knew that was gonna drain down the gloves too. Oh well. The gloves need to be washed anyways. Nah, never mind. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna seep through. And yep, I'm starting to feel it. As soon as I said that, I'm feeling it. Dang. Well, I'm gonna let that drain a little bit more. And as I told you, bro, I don't like editing. nothing. So we gonna sit here together and enjoy this oil drain. Do. Actually, I might just give y'all like a part 2. Well, let me see if I can take this off with my hand or loosen it with my hand. I doubt it though, because they had that on tight and then I'm already on my back in a bad angle, so it's not good already, but I'm gonna try it. Remember that lefty loosey? Nope. And I got oil all over my hand. That was smart. Genius, boy, I'm telling y'all. Genius. Dang. Well, I got a rag up here. Got that young handy dandy fierce Gatorade. And I got my water, of course. Oh man. Oh yeah, of course I got the clean scene steppers too, bro. Clean, boy. Crispy. All that. Crispy, boy. You can't tell me nothing. Stealing your girl with these. Anyway, let me try to take this off and quit playing. And that 1320 watt pipe, it used to be like, you know, like polished, but it heated up, changed colors, matching the rest of the exhaust basically now. Y'all can see that back there. But there I go once again, getting off topic. Should I? Oh no. I don't know if it's gonna come off. I'm already at a horrible angle once again. Let me try to put y'all down. Yep, getting a brand new tripod dirty already. Try to give you something. I don't even know. Oh man, it's leaning. Nope, can't have that. I'm just leave it like that. I don't have one of those oil wrench plier tools that like have the rubber band on it. Got squeeze on there and pull it off that way. So I don't even know if I'm be able to get this off, bro. This is hard. So I already got this sway bar in the way. Dang. Yeah, bro, it's looking real pitiful right now. Cause they put that bolt on there tight. So I'm knowing that this is probably gonna be you don't even need to have it tight on there. You need to have it snug. It doesn't even need to be tight, but I just don't get it, bro. Be so many semis on this road. And this junk, bruh. I think they tighten this with the tool, bruh. Got dents in it. What the world? I think they probably, bruh, I think they really tighten this with one of them tools, bruh. Bruh, no. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they did tighten one of them tools. That's trifling, bro. This is why you should watch who changes your oil, bro. Because if y'all can see, those marks on there, that's from an old filter wrench. And oh man, I just hope that this, I can get it off, bro. I might have to catch y'all. Alright, there y'all go. Y'all good. Wish I could tilt it up, but it won't. Whatchamacallit, the phone will fall back because the tripod is not like strong enough. The swivel part of it. The stands are pretty good. I don't even know if this can fit up there. Probably not. And then this thing is rusty, so it don't want to loosen up. So that's even, you know, more nice. Super nice, bro. From the looks of it, this is I want to say this is a cheap brand too. I looked online, the prices were not that expensive for it. I think it's called MicroGuard or ProGuard. Yeah, I think it's ProGuard. What y'all think about that brand?